Hello everyone, my name is Allison Burton and I'm the programmer for the North Adams Library. Now, our theme for today is fall. So, I'm going to start with a rhyme called 5 Fall Leaves. 5 fall leaves hanging from a tree. The first one said, "Very soon we will be free." The second one said, "I'm falling to the ground." The third one said, "I'm floating to town." The fourth one said, "Let's not wait." The fifth one said, "Fall sure is great." Now, our first book for today is There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed Some Leaves, written by Lucille Calandro, illustrated by Jared Lee, and published by Cartwheel Books. Copyright 2010. There was an old lady who swallowed some leaves. I don't know why she swallowed those leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. There was an old lady who swallowed a shirt. It didn't hurt to swallow that shirt. She swallowed the shirt to fill it with leaves. I don't know why she swallowed the leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. There was an old lady who swallowed a pumpkin. She wasn't a bumpkin to swallow that pumpkin. She swallowed the pumpkin to wear the shirt. She swallowed the shirt to fill it with leaves. I don't know why she swallowed the leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. There was an old lady who swallowed a pole. She was on a roll when she swallowed that pole. She swallowed the pole to prop up the pumpkin. She swallowed the pumpkin to wear the shirt. She swallowed the shirt to fill it with leaves. I don't know why she swallowed the leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. There was an old lady who swallowed some pants. She started to dance when she swallowed the pants. She swallowed the pants to cover the pole. She swallowed the pole to prop up the pumpkin. She swallowed the pumpkin to wear the shirt. She swallowed the shirt to fill it with leaves. I don't know why she swallowed the leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. There was an old lady who swallowed a rope. She didn't mope when she swallowed that rope. She swallowed the rope to tie up the pants. She swallowed the pants to cover the pole. She swallowed the pole to prop up the pumpkin. She swallowed the pumpkin to wear the shirt. She swallowed the shirt to fill it with leaves. I don't know why she swallowed the leaves. Perhaps she'll sneeze. There was an old lady who swallowed some hay. She didn't say why she swallowed that hay, but she did it with ease, and then she started to sneeze. Achoo! Happy fall! The end. Now, our second book for today is Fall Walk, written and illustrated by Virginia Brimhall Snow and published by Gibbs Smith, copyright 2013. I went for a walk in the leaves today. They rustled and crunched as I kicked them away. Poplar, willow. Red, orange, yellow, purple, and brown. They flew into the air and then fluttered down. Flowering plum, cottonwood. My Grammy told me the name of each one. Remembering was hard, but I still had fun. Sycamore, flowering pear. I twirled and ran and jumped in a pile. Scattering the leaves made Grammy smile. Walnut, Russian olive. See these leaves? They're mulberry. And this big red one is a chokecherry. As I looked closer, I saw red, gold, and green, with veins edge to edge and small ones between. Sweet gum, linden. Wind lifted leaves up and whirled them around. I joined in their dance till they fell to the ground. Honey locust, sassafras. Fall colors on the mountain glowed in the sun. From the autumn leaves, their work almost done. Oak, birch. The maple leaf was all spiky and red. I held round aspen leaves that turn yellow when dead. Leaves from the peach tree are pointed and gold. I told my Grammy there are too many to hold. Hawthorn. So we pulled out a bag at the end of the day, and Grammy told me as we started away, elm, golden rain tree. Let's take a few home to press in a book. When you want to remember, open and look. Pecan, ginkgo. Now, this book also has a couple of activities you can do. The first one is to press leaves. For this, you will need leaves that are still soft, not dry and crunchy, a few large books, and a few blank papers. First, prepare a place where the leaves can dry, undisturbed for a few days. Next, put down a book, a paper, and then some of your leaves. It's best if the leaves don't touch each other. Cover them with a paper and stack a book on top. Continue building the stack with the paper, leaf, paper, and book sequence. Finish by placing a couple of really thick books on top. In a few days, your leaves will be pressed. You could also do a leaf rubbing. For this, you will need soft or pressed leaves in a variety of shapes, crowns without their wrappers, and some paper. First, place a leaf on a hard surface, vein side up. Cover it with paper. With the side of the crown, rub across the paper over the leaf and watch the outline and veins appear. Firm pressure with a bright crown gives the best results. Try making your very own leaf book. And then we also have some leaf fun facts. Number 1, the sassafras tree has more than one shape of leaf on the same tree. 2, maple syrup is made by drilling a hole in the trunk of a sugar maple tree and collecting the sap, which is kind of like tree blood. The sap is then condensed until it becomes maple syrup. 3, the world's largest living organism is a grove of aspen trees in Utah named Pando. 4, silk is made by silkworms that eat white mulberry leaves. 5, fruit growers trim their trees so the fruit will grow bigger and better. 6, chlorophyll is the stuff in leaves that makes them green. It hides the yellow and orange colors that are also there. When autumn comes, the tree stops making chlorophyll and we see the beautiful colors. 7, maple tree seeds whirl in the air like helicopters when they fall. 8, willow bark contains a chemical that is similar to aspirin, so it is used to relieve headache and muscle pain. 9, trees take in carbon dioxide through their leaves and give off oxygen. 10, Sir Isaac Newton discovered the law of gravity while sitting under an apple tree. The end. Now, a craft you can make to go along with these books is a foil printed tree, like this. So first thing you need to get is a white piece of cardstock, a paper plate for your paint, and then brown, red, yellow, and orange paint. You'll also need to get a piece of tin foil, which you will then crumple up into a ball that you can hold onto and press down on like a stamp. Next, you'll use your finger and the brown paint to make a tree trunk and tree branches. Then you'll use your tinfoil stamp to press in the red, yellow, or orange paint and then stamp it on your tree branches. You can do this as many times as you like with however many of the colors you like until your tree looks like it is covered in autumn leaves. Then you have made your very own foil printed tree. The link for this craft can be found in the description of this video. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day and stay healthy.